some other. He don't
Say hey to my video.
Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this wig that I purchased from Asteria Hair. Now I purchased this wig about 3 years ago. If I can find the purchase receipt from it, I will post it in the video. If not, then I'll just put it down in the description box below. So here I'm going to be using my Got2b glue and my Eben, is that how you say it? Eben? Anyway, spray, and I'm just going to use those two and spray it down. Okay, now so I'm going to be going in with my contour powder. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I like to use my contour powder to put that inside of my wig. I don't know, it just seemed to blend a little bit better. So once I put that down, then I'm going to spray the wig with my Eben spray to make it a little bit more taggy. Then I'm going to go back in with that contour powder. Now, I know some of you may be wondering, why is she wearing a black wig cap? Sis, I could not find a tan one or a brown one, so I used a black one, and I do like the black one under this red wig because it seemed to blend a little bit better. I don't know, sometimes the tan one can look a little too fake. Okay, so right now I'm going to separate my baby hairs from the rest of the wig. Now, disclaimer, I am not the best at installing a wig, okay? I don't know. I'm still learning like everybody else. I watch YouTube like everybody else. Okay, so I'm just cutting the lace around the ear tabs. Now, keep in mind, I have had this wig for a very... Ooh, not me trying to go blind some more. Okay, but keep in mind, I have had this wig for a very long time, okay? I have not once bleached this wig. Excuse me, I have not once bleached the lace on this wig, okay? I don't believe in doing that because I feel like the hair sheds way more when you bleach the knots. So I don't believe in doing that, okay? Okay, so next I'm going to go back in with my spray and just spray along the hairline where I separated my baby hairs from, just to make sure it is secure. Then I'm going to go in with my headband, which is dirty, I know, but don't come for me because everybody is dirty if you wear makeup, okay? So after I do that, I'm just going to spray it down with water, and then I'm going to go in with my conditioner. Now you can use any conditioner that you feel you need to use. I'm just going to use this one, and then I'm going to go in with my dimming brush to really define those curls. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with my concealer, and I use this LA Girl Pro from the beauty supply store, and I'm just going to define my part. Now here is a close-up of the curls, and baby, Asteria Hair, 8, okay? What is 4 plus 4? 8. Ain't that what the kids say? But now I'm just going to go in and work on these baby hairs, okay? That's something that your girl struggles with, okay?
them other. He
Say
don't really
hey
talk
to my video.
Hi.
Forgot.
So y'all just seen my niece. That is my baby, okay? And my baby is having a baby. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I'm the gender holder for her. What? Man, I am a proud great aunt, okay? Can't believe I'm a great aunt. Like, who says that? Okay, but anyway, let's continue on. So I did finish the baby hairs, and I think they look pretty good. I don't like the excessive baby hair, okay? Like, just give me something, a little swoop here, a little swoop there, and I'll be good. So I'm just gonna hot comb this, and listen, this thing gets hot, okay? So please be careful. If you're not the best at this, like, get a friend to help you or something, or just be careful. Turn the heat down a little bit.
I was trying to be cheap. And
This is cheap.
How much you got?
This might have been like $14, $15, if that.
The one I got, girl, is cheap. It's cheap. Like, it don't even get hot, don't it?
Girl, yeah, it get hot.
Yeah, mine don't get hot.
It got different settings on it. Well, I'll bring it down there.
Thank you for coming. I'm gonna take this call to her and I'll talk to you later.
Okay then.
Love you.
All right, love you too. Bye.
Okay guys, so this is the final look, and let me just say I love this wig, okay? Once again, I purchased this wig back in 2020, and look at it. I mean, it still looks brand new. Asteria hair is very good quality, okay? Now, this wig was not cheap. I want to say I paid $190 some. Once again, I will post all the information down below. But, I mean, it lasts me. So, if you guys want to check this wig out, I will leave a direct link below. Once again, I purchased this with my own coins, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.